YG Srimati was born on 1926, died 2007. She was an artist and musician. From a very young age, she was trained in Indian classical music, dance and painting. Srimati became a highly accomplished vocalist and performer of Carnatic music and became a participant of the Indian independence movement from Chennai. She was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi, and at rallies addressed by him she would perform devotional songs in various Indian languages. She dedicated her artwork to nationalist themes, often painting figures from Hindu mythology, her style being influenced by Nandalal Bose and the frescoes of the Ajanta Caves. Her talent was recognized, and in 1952 during her first solo exhibition. The theme of Srimati's paintings is based on devotion. She did not date or sign her work. Most of Srimati's work was inspired from mythology and religion. She pursued her musical career even after shifting to New York. And the exhibition also includes one of her Tamburas, which was the vestige of her musical career. Srimati was intrigued by Indian religious epic literature and visions of rural culture. She had this nationalist sentiment which was the subject matter of the conscious expression. The Met collection featured 25 watercolored paintings which expressed musical instruments, archival photographs and performance recordings.